This viral cartoon character, candle-making AI video style, is getting millions of views, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it with just one prompt. What if you could turn almost any cartoon character into a real candle, and then actually light it? I found this really satisfying candle-making concept, so I decided to recreate the entire process with AI. You can create the whole video using just one master prompt. Now, open the master prompt from the description and copy the entire prompt. First, open Google Flow and create a new project. Now, paste the complete master prompt into the prompt box. At the top, you'll find the object input box. Make sure the character name is entered only in this section. For my first video, I'm going with Doraemon. Enter Doraemon there. Switch to video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical, and select OmniFlash as the video model. That's it. Now let's generate the video. Wait a few seconds and the video is ready. And here's the result. The entire thing looks like it was filmed as a real candle making process. Now, let's create another one. Paste the same master prompt again. This time, change the character in the object input box. For my second video, I'm choosing Augie. Then click Generate, and look at this result. The same candle making process is now recreated for a completely different character. You can see the character-shaped sachet, the wick, the liquid wax filling the mold, the rapid solidification, and then the character being removed from the sachet. And finally, the lights go out and the candle is lit in the darkness. The best part is that you can repeat this exact workflow with almost any character. Just change the name in that one object input box and generate another video. I've added the complete master prompt in the description so you can copy it and start creating your own character candle videos. And if you want more AI video tutorials and viral content ideas like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.